Did you know that yawning is contagious? And be honest, are you starting to feel a yawn coming on right now? This isn't just a coincidence. Yawns actually spread from person to person. And it's not just us humans. Even dogs and monkeys can catch a yawn from each other. So why is yawning contagious? It all comes down to something called empathy. When we see someone else yawn, we unconsciously copy them because we're feeling their state. Studies even show that people with high empathy are more likely to yawn when someone else does. So the next time someone says, "Why are you yawning?" just say, "I guess I'm just a very empathetic person." If you yawned while watching this video, congrats, you've got great empathy. See you next time with more fun facts.